Hello everyone, welcome to TAO price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And starting on the daily chart, we are looking at our all-time history and the scenarios between bullish and bearish. What is gonna be the highest potential for the next move? Looking here, we have of course 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 finished impulse, wave A or a wave 1. After a both case scenario, you would like to see of course 3 corrective waves. This is exactly what we got, WXY, finishing wave B or a wave 2. Now, after both case scenario as well here, you would like to see higher prices. This is exactly as well what we got so far. So we are in a very good path with those two scenarios where we have finished potentially a wave 1 here. Meaning, potentially, you have finished, of course, your wave C in the blue count here impulsively towards the upside, which it was very, very close to the 1-to-1 fib level. Now, the 0.9 is also can be a target for your zigzag, but it was not really well reached. Another uncommon target for a zigzag can be the 0.618, as you can see here, for of course the linear fib levels where we have hit perfectly over even the $617, 0.618. However, we are very, very close, of course, for the 1-to-1 fib level here for a zigzag, but we did not took it, meaning, of course, less possibility for this blue count in ABC is getting here, and probably, it can be even higher in a logarithmic fib levels. Meaning, if we bring now the logarithmic scale for higher, we can see for the next moves in the future that we are targeting the 4,200 for a TAO, of course, at 1-to-1 fib level, meaning you would like to see a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5, bringing the price action, of course, towards the upside, and of course, repeating the same wave that we got exactly in this area for wave A, repeating it for your wave C. And this is exactly what we saw in XRP and many other cryptos. As you can see, the wave 1 is perfectly matching with this impulse, and we're looking, of course, for this target as a wave 1 by taking, of course, the same price action and matching it again. Now, let's say a bigger bearish scenario is unfolding. If a bigger scenario is unfolding, of course, then we have to count a longer correction towards the downside, meaning you want to break all these fib levels, breaking the 886, and of course, moving for a new low, meaning you want to take this low here and probably targeting the 0.618 taken from the start of this A until the end of this wave A, or let's call it wave 1 as well. In this case scenario, the probability goes higher for the yellow count, which is an impulse, because if you are in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 finished wave 1, you would like to see, of course, your wave 2 coming back to the perfect fib levels for a wave 2, which is, of course, this green box. Meaning in ABC wave 2 probably finished and then moving again for higher towards the wave 3, and then of course even higher 4 and a 5. So basically, if we hit only in this area, higher possibility goes for the ABC in the blue scenario for 1-to-1 fib level. We would like to see, of course, a start of a signal of strength here in this area and moving for higher. But of course, we still need one more low to finish, of course, this correction and then start to move for higher. Of course, after estimation and reanalysis in this area. Of course, again, to recap, if we move even lower, meaning of course a higher potential goes for the yellow scenario, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, continuation towards the upside, as well as an impulse. And of course, this magenta is your bigger correction, a bearish scenario, which of course related to your wave 2 in the yellow count. That was it for TAO. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.